Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Orgie Hemp Intense Orgasm is an arousal intimate gel. It's designed for couples of all orientations or self-love and provides instant, intense vibrating and tingling effects level 7 with warming and cooling sensations that will leave you high in the clouds. This exclusive formula contains the vibrating active ingredient jumbo plant extract from the Amazon rainforest region and hemp seed oil, which adds moisturizing properties to this product. It does not contain THC or CBD, so you won't get high, except in arousal and pleasure. Begin by putting a small amount of hemp intense orgasm on the intimate areas with a brief, gentle and stimulating massage. Orgie recommends starting with one pump dose and adjusting it according to what feels more arousing and yet comfortable for you. With Hemp Intense Orgasm, you can expect the unprecedented sensations, paving your highway to climax. If you wish to learn more about jumbo extract, the peculiar active ingredient that Orgie brings in to all its vibrating products, join me on the video about Sexy Vibe. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.